In front of me is iPhone 17 and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off passwords autofill. Many of you in the comments asked me how to manage autofill, to switch it on or off to be exact, on this iPhone. That's probably because this feature is not available in Passwords app, where all of your passwords are. To enable it, you need to access Settings. Don't worry, I tested it before on this and other devices. Scroll a tiny bit and hit General. Now you need to scroll again and tap on this section called Autofill and Passwords. Now, to enable or disable autofill, you need to manage this switcher next to Autofill Passwords and Passkeys. If your switcher is gray, that means that autofill is off. To switch it on, you need to click on gray switcher until it's green. Additionally, if you want to store your passwords in default Passwords app, make sure this switcher next to it is green as well. Then scroll all the way down to click on Setup Codes In and tap on Passwords if they are not already on. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!